Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing and manipulating numeric data, but it only works in 2 dimensions. Sure, you can view your data in rows and columns, and you can generate colorful charts and graphs, but you can never really visualize your data in 3 dimensions. Until now. Introducing ViXL-3D. ViXL-3D is a mesh viewer and math library add-in for Microsoft Excel. With it, you can visualize your data in 3 dimensions, as point clouds, convex halls, surface meshes, and topographic maps. With real-time free axis rotate, pan, and zoom. You can add color, axis rulers, surface textures, and lighting effects. You can export your data as polygon files, bitmapped images, and even create video. You can open multiple viewer windows to compare different data side by side, uncover patterns and relationships in your data that you might otherwise have missed. You can use it with all types of data: financial, engineering, scientific, research, and education. ViXL-3D even adds a library of new math functions for 2D and 3D interpolation, extrapolation, data smoothing, and advanced matrix operations. We don't live in a 2-dimensional world, neither does your data. ViXL-3D, add a whole new dimension to Excel by Cassinian Software. Learn more at www.vixl3d.com.